Are you uploading videos on YouTube but when you preview them the sound is completely muted? Don't worry. You are not alone. Many users are facing this issue and today I will show you the quick fix. Now listen, just open your YouTube like me. Then when we upload our tutorial and a video and a vlog and something else, the idea or in the idea of the video in preview also already muted automatically, but we don't know why it's happening and what's the problem. So here the thing, when you upload a video on YouTube, sometimes during the preview stage the audio does not play. This usually happens because of two reasons. Your video has copyrighted music and YouTube automatically mutes it in preview. And second, there's a small glitch in the YouTube app or browser, and your case is the second one now. Now fix is simple. First, check your video editor and make sure the audio is not muted before exporting. And the second, when uploading, try switching from the YouTube app to desktop browser version. In most cases, the sound works fine there in Google Chrome if you are a Android user or iPhone user. Third, if it's still muted, clear the YouTube app cache or update the app from Play Store or App Store. And most important, avoid using copyrighted background music. Use royalty-free music from YouTube audio library instead. And if after doing all these steps the problem is not solved, then just check the video sound in your phone's gallery app. If it plays fine there, simply upload it to YouTube. Don't worry, after the upload your viewers will hear the sound normally. It's just a little glitch in YouTube's preview system. So next time your YouTube video sounds muted in preview, follow these quick steps. Your audio will be safe and your viewers will hear it perfectly. I hope this tutorial you found this video helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.